on the way to Iapmala Umpaitlu. This whole water is coming.
A few minutes later. A few moments later.
A remarkable and challenging trekking expedition to Umpaitlu Iapmala, East Jaintia Hills. The journey led us deep into pristine natural surroundings, featuring lush forests, fresh mountain air, rolling hills, rocky terrain, flowing streams, and the breathtaking landscapes of nature. Each step of the trek offers new perspectives and enriching experiences. Upon reaching the destination, the effort was truly
1 hour
rewarded with
later.
stunning panoramic views and a serene environment that made the entire journey worthwhile. Join us as we explore the natural beauty, adventure, and hidden gems of East Jaintia Hills. Watch till the end, share with others, and experience the unmatched
2 hours
beauty of
later.
Jaintia.
Much later.
Oh my God! Nói Ari bang hau dulu murid na. Dan gasnya. Ini katuk tuh.
I'm so excited.
Hey, macam si Tay. Wow, anu jam situ. Anu jam situ. Hah? Oh, rainbow. Ni rainbow mana ha? Rainbow. Artili rainbow. Tatay lang si Tay. Apa nak buat? Macam kata beri. Ya. Kamu ya akhirnya yang ni. Oh, pai tu. Untuk SDR. Ada apa yang? Network. Jangan ni. Nhiều băng này. Nhiều băng sao vậy?
What if I told you I don't do so?
Sino le tu? Sino? Atuan ni ay itu bay sa ari bang kang mau siang bay na luti. Penyu thi luti wakal le. Ha upan si thawa yu bang pengat le. Aluti le. Kami ke jenjar ko. Baik. Yang ini. Bukan ni. Oh, buka. Ngilalit pai biang ban poi sha ka way pat ka destination ka baar ha kanai ka Jaintia trekking ka jongi. Tesnyau bha ban pet hadu bakut. Trong cái này cái video khang mà pin yo isa cái way pat cái new destination cái ba nghi là ya cái chặt biang ban lệ cha cái ta cái final destination trong này.
I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head up.
Tu atawa tu anu ka? Ha?
Tidak.
Tu kejat. Ada sana di ni tu.
Ni tak kau ikat tali tu.
Hmm.
Tali tu tak kau.
Ban lat ban luti ka?
Up in the clouds, I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine.
Uji mereka tu kan? Terus kan? Ini redap sangat distant. Finally, we reach near that for a long trekking. Đây gặp cái trận bệnh. Wow! Look at this scenery I'm about to show you guys. Wow, check it out. This is not foreign country, this is in East Jaintia Hill district. Happy Independence Day. We are finally about to reach our second destination. Look at the clouds and the mountains. It's so good. It's so nice. See, this is our second destination. Look at the lakes and the mountain, the greeneries and the clouds. And now we are going back, almost dark. So please do support and help this video to reach more views. Thank you.